Hi, my name is Brianna, and I'm from New Jersey, and I have taken gymnastics for 5 years. I'm on an in-house team which doesn't compete, but you don't have competition, but you have shows, and it's so much fun. And I'm not that good on floor, but I'm good on bars, and I'm good on beam, and I'm kind of bad at vault. I can't do the main things on the floor. I can do back handsprings and back tucks on trampoline, but on here, so I hope you guys like my gymnastics. First, I usually warm up before I do something. I usually do lunges or splits. I used to be able to do a split, and now I can't really. So much dog hair. I have 3 dogs. And not that flexible, but I can do some things. Okay, so anyways, so I do some stretching, and I do some back bends. This is my back bend stretch that I do. That's exactly why I stretch. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you something that I could do. Some stuff that I could do. It's a front walkover. Guess not. Just gotta get the hang of it. It's actually a front limber. I'll show you front walkover later. And this I like to do also. One-handed cartwheel. Sorry, I'm not good at one-handed cartwheel. Cartwheels. Roundhouse. I do, what's it called? I also do this straddle handstand. And back walkover. I don't know if I can do it right now here. I'll try it out. Okay, wait. Sorry, I'm scared. I haven't done summer vacation, so I haven't really done gymnastics at camp so much. Sorry. That's kind of bad. Let me try again. Okay, so it's my back walkover, my front walkover. Sorry. I have 3 dogs, so my floor is kind of covered in dog hair. So it's kind of slippery a little bit. But I hope you guys liked it, and